Most car owners have no idea what their vehicles are truly capable of. In fact, studies show that nearly 90% of drivers don't fully understand the features built into their own cars. Some of these features are simply convenient, but others can literally save you thousands of dollars in repair costs or even protect your safety on the road. In this video, we're going to explore 15 hidden car features most people don't know exist. Pay attention, because the last few might just surprise you and could make a real difference in your driving experience. Number 15. The recirculation button. If you've ever been stuck behind a diesel truck spewing exhaust fumes, you've probably seen that small button on your dashboard with a picture of a car and a circular arrow. That's your air recirculation button, and it's much more powerful than you think. Pressing it stops your car from pulling in outside air, and instead recycles the clean air already inside your cabin. Not only does this protect you from harmful pollution and unpleasant odors, but it also makes your air conditioning work up to 20% more efficiently in extreme heat. This feature reduces strain on your AC system, keeps your cabin cooler, and even extends the life of your cabin air filter. In short, it saves you money and protects your health at the same time. Number 14. Extending your key fob range. Here's a trick most dealerships never tell you. If you press your key fob against your head while trying to unlock your car, you can more than double its range. The water in your body acts as a conductor, boosting the signal from about 30 feet to nearly 80 feet. It may sound strange, but it works. And while we're on the topic of key fobs, remember that most of them also hide a mechanical backup key. If the battery dies, you can still unlock your doors manually by sliding out the small metal key inside. Number 13. Color-coded engine parts. When you open your hood, you'll notice some caps are brightly colored, yellow, red, or blue, while others are dull and gray. That's not a design choice. Those bright colors are a coded guide for what you, the driver, can safely handle without a mechanic. For example, yellow often indicates oil, blue is usually washer fluid, and red might mean transmission fluid. Anything else, leave it to the professionals. This system not only saves you money on basic maintenance, but also prevents costly mistakes, like pouring the wrong liquid into the wrong reservoir. Number 12. The fuel cap holder. Every modern car comes with a small hook or notch inside the fuel door. It's designed to hold your gas cap while you're filling up. If you let the cap dangle, it can scratch your paint or even allow dirt to enter the fuel system. Over time, that dirt can clog your injectors, leading to repairs that cost thousands of dollars. It's such a small feature, yet most drivers completely ignore it. Use the hook, and you'll save yourself both embarrassment and expensive repairs. Number 11. The emergency shift lock release. Imagine your battery dies in traffic, and you need to push your car to safety. Normally, you wouldn't be able to move the shifter into neutral, but most cars have a hidden feature called the shift lock release. It's usually located near the gear shifter under a small plastic cover. If you pop the cover off and press the button inside, you can manually shift to neutral without power. This small trick could save you from being stranded in a dangerous spot, or from paying an unnecessary towing bill. Number 10. Road condition indicators. That little snowflake icon on your dashboard isn't just for decoration. It's an indicator that the outside temperature is near freezing, which means roads may be icy. Some modern cars even share this data with nearby vehicles to create a network of real-time road condition alerts. Paying attention to this small symbol can prevent accidents and keep you safer during winter driving. Number 9. Anti-glare rear-view mirror. Ever been blinded by headlights behind you at night? That little tab at the bottom of your rear-view mirror is designed to fix that. Flipping it changes the angle of the mirror, so bright light is redirected away from your eyes. Newer cars even use auto-dimming mirrors with special gel that automatically darkens when it detects glare. It's a simple feature, but it makes night driving far safer and less stressful. Number 8. Hidden storage compartments. Manufacturers often build secret compartments into their vehicles. Jeep, for example, hides them in the cargo area. Volkswagen has one under the driver's seat. Toyota has built-in cool boxes for drinks. These compartments are perfect for storing valuables out of sight or just keeping your car organized. Many owners don't even realize they exist, so check your car carefully. You might discover hidden space you never knew you had. Number 7. Remote window controls. Did you know you can roll down your car windows using your key fob? On many vehicles, holding down the unlock button lowers all the windows at once. Some cars even allow you to close them the same way. This is incredibly useful on hot summer days. Venting the heat before you get inside can prevent burns from hot seats and reduce stress on your air conditioning. Number 6. Conversation mirrors. Parents will love this one. Many SUVs and minivans have a small convex mirror hidden in the sunglass holder above the windshield. Flip it open and you get a full view of the back seats. No more twisting around dangerously while driving to check on kids or pets. It's a simple feature, but it improves both safety and peace of mind. Number 5. The fuel gauge arrow. Every car has a small arrow next to the fuel pump icon on the dashboard. That arrow points to the side of the car where your fuel door is located. It's been standard for decades, but nearly half of drivers still don't know about it. It's especially handy when driving a rental or borrowing another car. Number 4. Easy Fill Tire Alert. Some cars, like certain Nissan models, have a brilliant feature that helps you inflate your tires correctly. When you start filling, the car's lights flash to show it's working. Once the correct pressure is reached, the horn honks. This prevents both underinflation, which reduces fuel efficiency, and overinflation, which can be dangerous. It's like having a tire technician built into your vehicle. Number 3. Remote start functions. Remote start isn't just for luxury cars. In fact, many newer vehicles have this feature built in, even if it's not obvious. Sometimes it requires pressing the lock button multiple times in a certain sequence. Remote start allows you to warm up your engine in winter or cool down your car in summer before you get inside. This protects the engine, reduces wear, and makes driving far more comfortable. Number 2. Drowsiness detection systems. If your car ever flashes a coffee cup icon on the dashboard, it's not a joke. It's a warning that you may be getting drowsy. Modern vehicles use cameras and sensors to detect signs of fatigue, like drifting between lanes or nodding off. Some cars will even beep loudly or suggest you take a break. Considering drowsy driving causes over 100,000 accidents every year, this system can be a real lifesaver. Number 1. Night vision assistance. Yes, some cars actually come with night vision. Using infrared cameras, they can detect people, animals, or obstacles up to 1,000 feet ahead in complete darkness. While currently available mostly in high-end models like BMW, Audi, and Mercedes, the technology is slowly becoming more affordable. In the near future, night vision may be common in mid-range vehicles, dramatically improving nighttime safety. So there you have it. 15 hidden car features that most drivers don't even realize exist. Some of them are simple conveniences, while others can save you thousands of dollars or even protect your life. Which of these features did you already know about, and which one surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more automotive insights that help you get the most out of your car.